Good afternoon, Ken here from Ultralight, and today I'm going to do a quick video, instructional video on our AC-USLXL, which is our extra large light mount. So on this mount, it comes with the strap and these two rubber bands. Basically what you do is you would put the rubber bands onto the light that you're going to use. This light is not the correct light because it's a little small, although if you turn it on the side, it would kind of fit. But anyways, you put the rubber bands on there and then you take the strap, tighten it down, you're all set. Another good use we just figured out what you could use this for is some people have wrist mounted things for their GoPros and lights. Well, you could actually take this and mount it on your wrist if you wanted to and aim your light. That would work out perfect. So if you have any questions on this or any of our other parts, please feel free to give me a call. Thank you and have a great day.